Have you ever noticed that behind a warm bowl of soup or a mouth-watering pot of meat, there's a hidden secret? An ingredient that is almost invisible, rarely chewed, but without it, the dish would lose its soul. Not chili, not onion, not turmeric. The secret is green, uniquely shaped, and intoxicatingly fragrant. This is it, the magic leaf, the Kaffir Lime Leaf. As we can see, this is the clearest detail of what a Kaffir lime leaf looks like when seen up close with the aid of a microscope. This is a Kaffir lime leaf that has turned yellow and has lots of large pores, and you can see the nerve tissue in the Kaffir lime leaf. This color change from green to yellow is due to the long storage time and is influenced by room temperature. So if the color has turned yellow, it is better to throw it away because it is no longer useful. There are still visible dirt particles, so when purchased from the market, the Kaffir lime leaves have not been cleaned at all. Let's first discuss Kaffir lime leaves in general. Where do the green leaves come from? What's the science behind their legendary fragrance? And most importantly, can they do more than just enhance your cooking? This leaf is no ordinary leaf. It's the Kaffir lime leaf, the citrus hystrix of science. Its shape, resembling a small guitar or figure eight, is its undeniable fingerprint. He is a native son of tropical Southeast Asia, thriving in his ancestral homeland for hundreds of years. Be careful not to get them mixed up. Many people confuse them with lime leaves. But look, lime leaves are plain and oval. Kaffir lime leaves, on the other hand, have ears at the base. But that's just appearance. The real magic lies in what's unseen. Each Kaffir lime leaf is a sophisticated natural perfume factory. Inside, there are pockets of essential oils packed with magical compounds. The most important is citronellal. Citronellal is the star. It's what gives lemongrass its distinctive, strong, fresh scent. Assisted by their companions, limonene and linalool, they form a complex symphony of fragrances. So, what happens when we tear open this leaf? As the cell walls rupture, the essential oils explode out, evaporating into the air, and instantly assaulting our sense of smell. The scent was born. But it's not just about fragrance. Nature created it as a weapon to repel insects. And without realizing it, our ancestors used this weapon to conquer the world of flavor. So, how does this magical leaf work in cooking? It's a flexible strategist. First, it's the calming leaf. When added whole and torn into soup, it slowly releases its oils, flavoring the entire broth and acting as a natural deodorant, eliminating the fishy smell of meat. Second, the rebel. When finely sliced and mixed with chili sauce, it instantly explodes with its fresh aroma, delivering an initial, addictive punch. Third, chemist. In fatty dishes like rendang, the aroma of citronellal cuts through the heavy savory taste, creating a balance so that we don't get sick easily. He turns a merely tasty dish into a profound experience. But what if the secret of this leaf actually goes deeper? What if it not only heals food, but also our bodies? Here's what you might not expect. Kaffir lime leaves actually have superpowers behind their enchanting fragrance. Modern research is beginning to reveal what traditional medicine has long known. The essential oil in Kaffir lime leaves has been shown to have antibacterial properties, capable of fighting harmful bacteria like E. coli. It is also rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, the cause of aging and disease. And most interestingly, the scent of citronellal, which we love, is actually a natural calming agent for our nervous system. Inhaling its scent can help reduce anxiety and stress. So, next time you cook, take a deep breath. You're not just preparing food, you're also practicing aromatherapy. So, from now on, don't underestimate this uniquely shaped leaf. It's a legend that made its way from the tropical forests of Southeast Asia straight to our dinner plates. He is a chemist, a deodorant, a soother, and most importantly, one of the irreplaceable heroes who shaped the identity of culinary taste and health. If you get one thing from this video, remember, sometimes the greatest secrets of a masterpiece are hidden in the smallest, simplest things. Like, subscribe, and share if you learned something today. What's your favorite kitchen spice secret? Let us know in the comments.